What's that? Oh, today I'm gonna get my sinuses adjusted. I'm gonna get my sinuses adjusted. They're a little clogged up from living in the farm, and we're gonna get some cranial fascial release done. And this is a very unique technique. I did not do it. This guy's the man.
That powder. All right, man. So have you had this done before?
Yeah, like 2 years ago.
Okay, because I can totally see what I did on your nose just from looking at your nose right now.
Yeah, is it straight?
No, it looks like you have a hard time breathing out of the right side. That's what I would assume with the way your nose goes. So this doesn't hurt, man. It's just, the weird part is actually just putting the balloon in. Then once we get in, we're on your time frame, okay? Like, you just get in the zone, and when you're ready, Doc, you're gonna go like this. Look. Just take a deep breath. When your lips come together, it's showtime. I mean, you're probably gonna hear a little bit of cracking in your skull. It'll bubble into your throat for half a second, and then I'll deflate it. Okay, so if it doesn't deflate for any reason, which is rare, I'll pop it. I'll pop the balloon. Okay. I got a little shank right here. All right, so here we go. We're gonna do the left side first, left lower. Here it goes.
So right now,
Okay, take your time, okay? No rush. When you're ready, just take that deep breath. Quick. Wow, man, piece of cake. You had nose surgery? That just popped.
Not everybody from Manhattan Beach has had nose surgery, dude.
I live in the hood.
These are tears of joy.
Mine too. All right, you ready, buddy? You did awesome on that. So now we're gonna do the other side. That was the lower left, this is the right middle. Here you go. Oh, that's a little tighter on this side. All right, take your time, okay? Quick. Whoa, still one pump.
Oh,
okay, that was the one. How do you feel?
Amazing.
I need that on video.